बिस्मिल्लाह रहमान रहीम। मेरी बहन ने मुझे वहाँ जाने की तजवीज़ दी थी। My sister advised me to go there. My sister advised me to go there. उसकी 7 सालियाँ हैं। He has 7 sisters-in-law. He has 7 sisters-in-law. इसकी सौतेली बहन उससे प्यार नहीं करती। His stepsister does not love him. His stepsister doesn't love him. मेरी भतीजी कॉलेज की तालिबे इल्म है। My niece is a college student. My niece is a college student. मेरे बाप की उम्र 40 साल है। My father is 40 years old. My father is 40 years old. तुम्हारे अब्बा क्या करते हैं? What does your father do? What does your father do? वो एक किसान हैं। He is a farmer. He is a farmer. क्या तुम्हारे अब्बा घर पर हैं? Is your father at home? Is your father at home? नहीं, वो फार्म हाउस पर हैं। No, he is at farmhouse. No, he is at farmhouse. उसकी भांजी रोज़ाना 5 वक्त नमाज पढ़ती है। His niece says prayer 5 times a day. His niece says prayer 5 times a day. बेटी अल्लाह की रहमत होती है। Daughter is a blessing of Allah. Daughter is a blessing of Allah. क्या तुम्हारी बहू डॉक्टर नहीं है? Isn't your daughter-in-law a doctor? Daughter-in-law क्या आपका पोता बैरून मुल्क चला गया है? Has your grandson gone abroad? Has your grandson gone abroad? मेरी बहन ने मुझे वहाँ जाने की तजवीज़ दी थी। My sister advised me to go there. My sister advised me to go there. वो मेरा दोस्त नहीं है। He is not my friend. He isn't my friend. वो मेरा खूनी रिश्तेदार है। He is my blood relative. He is my blood relative. वो सौतेला बच्चा है। He is a stepchild. He's a stepchild. मेरे 3 मामू हैं। I have 3 maternal uncles. I have 3 maternal uncles. मैं सबसे बड़ा बेटा हूँ। I am the eldest son. I'm the eldest son. हम joint family हैं। We are a joint family. We are a joint family. हम 7 बहन भाई हैं। We are 7 siblings. We are 7 siblings. वो माँ बाप की अकलौती बच्ची है। She is the only child. She is the only child. मेरी माँ एक मुत्तकी खातून है। My mother is pious woman. My mother is a pious woman. उसकी सौतेली माँ का रवैया मुनासिब नहीं है। His stepmother does not behave well. His stepmother doesn't behave well. उसकी सास अक्सर उससे लड़ती हैं। Her mother-in-law often quarrel with her. Her mother-in-law often quarrel with her. आपके बाप का नाम क्या है? What is your father name? What is your father name? उनकी उम्र कितनी है? How old is he? How old is he? दुल्हन खूबसूरत लग रही है. The bride is looking pretty. The bride is looking pretty. दूल्हा खूबसूरत है. The bridegroom is smart. The bridegroom is smart. ये फ्लैट कंवारों के लिए है. This flat is for bachelors. This flat is for bachelors. क्या वो अभी तक कंवारी है? Is she still virgin? Is she still virgin? क्या तुम्हारा खाविंद इंजीनियर है? Is your husband an engineer? Is your husband an engineer? वो मियाँ बीवी हैं. They are husband and wife. They are husband and wife. क्या आपके ससुराल वाले बहुत अमीर हैं? Are your in-laws very rich? Are your in-laws very rich? मेरी दादी अम्मा बड़ी नेक खातून थीं. My grandmother was a pious woman. My grandmother was a pious woman. उसका सौतेला बाप कारों का डीलर है. His stepfather is a dealer in cars. His stepfather is a dealer in cars. क्या तुम्हारे ससुर प्रोफेसर नहीं है? Is not your father-in-law a professor? Isn't your father-in-law a professor? मेरा भाई एक डॉक्टर है. My brother is a doctor. My brother is a doctor. मेरा सौतेला भाई भी डॉक्टर है. My stepbrother is also a doctor. My stepbrother is also a doctor. उसके बहनोई बिजनेसमैन है. His brother-in-law is a businessman. His brother-in-law is a businessman. हमारा एक रिश्ता है. We have a relationship. We have a relationship. वो मेरा रिश्तेदार नहीं है. He is not my relative. He is not my relative. क्या वो तुम्हारा रिश्तेदार है? Is he your relative? Is he your relative? इसकी एक सौतेली माँ है. She has a stepmother. She has a stepmother. क्या वो तुम्हारा दोस्त है? Is he your friend? Is he your friend? क्या वो शादीशुदा है? Is he married? Is he married?